guys, today don't have a whole lot going on, but the poor Civic has been sitting there for probably, well, since the beginning of January. We're finally going to get this thing fired up and get it running. See how well, but it'll run. And look at that thing, fired right up. So what we're going to do, the alternator shot, I have a rebuilt I had sent out and had rebuilt, and we're going to replace the ground wires, maybe the power wire, not sure yet, and see how many of our issues that makes disappear. I mean, we need to get this thing ready for paint. It is getting rough in its old age. What is it, 2 inches lowered. We need some wheels. Well, we have wheels, but I stole them. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Like where you at. I like everything about you.
Here's a tidbit of info when you're replacing an alternator. There's a crush sleeve in here. If you take a chisel and punch it back, everything will slide down in nice and easy. The bolt will draw that back in, and you will do a lot less cursing than normal.
Like where you at. I like everything about you.